Testing. Will this work? Or is it way too far down? I'm testing the neck mount. It's really hard to see if it films what I want or not right now. Yeah. Ow. Here I have some loose potatoes. I am digging up potatoes today. As you can see, the chickens want to help, which is why I need to remove the potatoes as fast as possible. I do not need your help. Oh yeah, this one had a lot of potatoes. We will see how well this works when I'm done, I guess. Yeah, discard. Let's see if there is anything left here. Guess I will need to enter. Yeah, the chickens have started to dig up a lot of the potatoes, which is a bit irritating. I didn't think they would do it so fast, but yeah, they really loved playing in the potato field. But this year I have about twice as many potato plants as last year, so it should be fine. Oh, here we have the seed. But yeah, it's really hard to see if I'm actually filming what I'm supposed to. A lot of big potatoes, though a lot of them have turned green since they are so close to the surface, especially with the help of the chickens. So no, go away. Yeah, let's just continue down this row, even though I started in the middle of it. Ooh, big ones. All over the potatoes. yeah, a lot of stuff has been going around on my property. We had a lot of moisture damage and fungus in the house, so we will have to renovate the downstairs. All of it, the whole downstairs part is gonna have to be remodeled. There was a lot of fungus, sadly, but it is what it is. When it's done, we're gonna have a very, very fresh house to live in, so that's something, I guess. So yeah, that's gonna take a while. It's in the hands of soon it will be in the hands of the insurance company again. Because first we thought it was just the kitchen and a bit of the living room, but it was a bit more than that. So we're gonna have to. It's gonna take a bit longer, sadly, but yeah, it is what it is. You're a bit in the way, actually. A bit in the way. Yeah, no idea how this is gonna look. The video, I mean. I had to put it so the angle is so damn, I don't know. I haven't really tried it much, so I will just have to test. I wonder if I need even more of an angle. Really big red ones. Lovely, lovely potatoes. And it is gathering all the chickens here now. Right in my mouth. I have basically just let the potato field be. I did water it a bit in the beginning, and sporadically during the season here, but not a lot. You know, we had some big rain. That I felt it did enough. I'm actually doing this while cooking food in the garage right now. Oh, well, one problem here is that it gets it doesn't look straight. It doesn't look straight. Well, let's say this was enough of a test right now. Now I can see chicken cam. So I have removed 2 rows of potatoes. There's one chicken eating a really big potato. I can also see a couple potatoes sticking out of the ground. So yeah, I will try to save them. Here's all the potatoes that I've picked so far, except for one. I did pull up one potato bush or whatever, because I needed it for food a week ago. But yeah, otherwise, this is 2 rows of potatoes. Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. I have well, almost 4 rows left. At least 3. 2 of them isn't complete. So we will see how much I get. Yeah, this will be enough. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe.